REDTIGER F9 dashcam for K front and rear 1080p. Wi-Fi GPS car camera with 32GB card. Dual dash camera for cars, loop recording. Night vision, parking mode. Smart app control. Support to 156GB max. Brand REDTIGER. Model name F9 for K dual dash cam. Orientation front and rear. Vehicle service type minivan, bus, car, truck. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi. Special feature free 32GB memory card. G sensor, compact design. 18-month guarantee help at redtigercam.com. Loop recording, G sensor. Parking monitor, audio recording, WDR. Internal memory. Built-in Wi-Fi, night vision. OTA firmware update, automatic incident detection. Built-in supercapacitor. App control, loop recording. Built-in GPS, free 32GB memory card. G sensor, compact design. 18-month guarantee help at redtigercam.com. Video capture resolution for K, 1080p. Included components 1 F9 for K dash cam, 1 1080p rear camera, 1 user manual, 1 bracket built-in GPS, 2 adhesive tape, 1 32GB card, 1 21.3 feet rear camera cable, 1 11.5 feet power supply cable with car charger, 2 electrostatic sticker, 1 F9 for K dash cam, 1 1080p rear camera, 1 user manual, 1 bracket built-in GPS, 2 adhesive tape. Mounting type windshield mount. Color black. 4K plus 1080p dual dash cam. Universal car dash cam with FHD. 1080p rear and 4K Super HD front cameras. The REDTIGER F9. Dashcam front and rear camera captures in-depth footage while driving thanks to its f1.5 aperture. Excellent night vision and 170 wide angle. Smart app control and Wi-Fi GPS for real-time video. Recorded video playback and GPS information. Connect to the REDTIGER app with the built-in WiFi within 5 meters. Instead of using buttons, you can effortlessly control the dash camera with the app. G sensor and 48H parking mode when the G sensor is triggered. Video files are automatically saved and locked. This REDTIGER dash camera for cars can record even while parking with a 48-hour parking monitor extra hardwire kit needed, which keeps the automobile secure. Loop recording and 32GB card REDTIGER. Dashcam front and rear camera comes with a 32GB card and support up to 256GB cards. When the memory is full, the oldest video is automatically overwritten to make room for fresh recordings. User-friendly design and features the F9 dashboard. Camera will automatically turn on while you are driving thanks to a supercapacitor. The one-click lock and unlock video function and a unique bracket design make the REDTIGER dashcam easy to use and remove.